Hello everyone, it's Adam here. So on the Husqvarna 701 Enduro, we're going to be replacing the radiator guard. Now this bike comes with one. It's plastic, has some kind of nice louver vents things with some support here. So while it'll protect big stuff, some small pebbles can still get through. So we're just going to replace this with something that's a finer mesh, that's metal, to remove the stock radiator guard. I don't believe we'll need to remove the front fender. I think that can stay in place. You've got a T20 here, there, and then you've got two on the bottom, right there, and then one on the other side. So let's get started by just taking those four T20s out. Actually, don't know. Nope, you only have to remove those top two T20s. As you can see here, you've got these two on the top, and the bottom is just these little pieces right here that stick in. So there's your stock guard. Actually pretty rigid. Now we have our rad guard right here. These are M4s, and you've got four of them actually. So we're gonna actually be using the brackets that were in there originally. What I would say it's probably to do for this is that you probably should Loctite each of these with the 243 or 242 just to be safe. All right, so I found to not damage the fins here, the best way is to take this and turn this fully and then slide the radiator guard in this direction like this. And then from there, you've got everything lined up. Since this is available to me, I'm gonna go ahead and thread in this lower one right under here. Right. Great. Now, while we're in here, I'm gonna go to the other side and do the top right. All right, so here it is. You've got your M4 up top there. You see both of those up top. And you've got your two on the bottom, right there and right there. And there's your 701/690 rad guard. It's nice fitment too. Look, it goes right up against the radiator right there. Looks like there was some coolant overflow that happened. Huh. Yeah, perfect. Thanks guys for watching.